looking to set up a sliding scale pass in Punchpass, you'll first want to head up to Manage Passes and then select New Pass. Here you can follow the prompts as normal when creating a new pass, so we'll do that now. Set a description if you want to, and we want this pass to be sold online. You can also select your online sales settings and customize those down here as well. You'll then want to select if this is going to be a punch card pass or an unlimited pass. I'm going to say this is going to be a 5 credit pass. And then you'll see this option here. Does this pass have a sliding scale pricing? You'll want to enable that and then set a minimum price and a maximum price. You can select 0 as the minimum if you want the pass to be able to be purchased for free. I'm going to say the minimum is $5 and the maximum is $100. Then we can customize the active and expiration settings if needed to as well, and hit next. As usual, we'll be asked to select any eligible classes. I'm just going to tick them all for now and hit save. And you've now created your sliding scale pass. So how do customers purchase this and what does that look like on their side? If we head over to the customer view, we can take a look. So when we locate the sliding scale pass, and ours will be just down the bottom because we've just created it, we'll click into that and this is what customers will see. So they'll be given the minimum and maximum pricing that we've set up, and then they'll be asked to choose a price in between that. So if they click on this drop down, they will be able to select the amount that they want to pay. And they can also type in a number as well. Once they've selected their price, they'll go through, click to purchase, and purchase the pass for that amount. Now, what about assigning a sliding scale pass on your admin side? So let's go to a customer and click Assign a Pass. We'll then select our sliding scale option and then choose from the amounts how much we're going to charge this customer. So if they are in front of you and they say, I want to pay $10, you can use that drop down to select that option. Now, if they ever want to pay a price that's not listed here, so for example, they say, I'm going to pay $10.50, you can just select an option, hit next, and then assign the pass and edit it down here. So I'm just going to click cash for now, and we'll select assign pass, then edit it. And we're going to change the amount paid. So I'm going to add that extra 50 cents in here and hit save. So when we look at the pass now on their account, we can see that amount has been updated here. Now we have also released a new feature that allows you to select a sliding scale pass for ticketing. So if we head to Manage Classes and select a class that we want to enable ticketing for, we can select this Enable Tickets for this class option and then use this toggle here. Is this a donation-based ticket? Again, you'll set your minimum and maximum price, and that will then reflect when students purchase tickets for the class. So if we go over to our customer view again, we'll locate that class and then see that the option for sliding scale is shown there. The same workflow applies, so students will select from the drop down the price that they want to pay and then follow through at the checkout. Hopefully this has been helpful, but please reach out to Punchpass support if you have any questions.